on this one, we ran into, for some reason, at 8 foot over, a ridge that runs right down the middle. Looks like a 1x or something. It sticks up a little bit further. So what you do is compensate. When our plywood comes over here, we didn't want to be going above our plywood. We wanted it to line up. So what we did was just run another piece, since this side's low, 1/2 inch. Run another piece under the edge. You never know what you have to compensate for on a mobile home. Is basically what I'm getting at. You never know. Could be anything. If you follow the rule of the thumb and look at stuff as you go, use screws for everything, measure and cut your holes properly, preventing, you should be okay doing this project if you can find the material. And then we'll cut it. With big old 6-inch overhang all the way down.